Today, I'm going to take you for a walk around the garden and show you how it has recovered from the late start that we got this year with all that cold weather in the springtime. And as you can see, everything just looks wonderful right now. Unbelievable how good it recovered. Let's take a walk over here and check out the eggplants first. These are the Rosa Biancas. And if you remember back, every year my eggplants get chewed up by those little beetles and flea beetles. And this year I decided to move them out of the main garden. And I mean, you can look at these plants, they're just gorgeous. Very little flea beetle damage and, really doing great. Here's some pie pumpkins over here on the left. And then we're going to get into some butternut squash in that bin. They'll be growing out into the mulched area. And then I have multiple types of sunflowers. Now, these here, the hummingbirds really love these orange ones. Bees do too, but we do see the hummingbirds on them now. And you can see tomatoes are doing good. I've been trying to keep them pruned, but all these suckers coming at them, I kind of messed up and didn't get them all. And again, there's some yellow squash coming up there. We'll be eating them probably about a week and a half. Another batch of sunflowers, and these sunflowers, definitely attract bees. They just love them. All day long. There's bees on some of them. So that's a good thing. And you see tomatoes, they're coming along. Usually we get our first tomato the beginning of August, and it looks like we're right on schedule now. A couple more weeks and we'll have some big ones. Cherries are doing a little better. I'll show you in a second. And there's the okra there. That's coming along. I should have thinned it a little better, but I didn't. So we'll see how that does. And again, tomatoes are just doing wonderful now. We did have a lot of rain early in the season. I think that helped. I'm just going to take a quick look over the fence here now. I see some onions and stuff there and everything else. We'll walk in there in a second. But as you can see, it's all doing good. It's either the cherry tomatoes in the beginning there, and just look down and noticed got our first tomato ready. That's going to be good. Only little, but boy, are they tasty. About time. Now let's walk in the rest of the garden and look at it. You can see all the potatoes on the left. The first couple bins are about ready to come out. They were a quicker germ or quicker potato, and these other two bins are going to be a little bit longer. There's some beets in there. We've been eating the greens and the little beets, trying to thin them out a little bit, and they've been doing good. See, they still need a lot of thinning, but really it's good eating those thinnings. And the onions are next couple bins. I lost a lot of the onions that I started earlier, but the ones that did survive are doing good. You can see about time we could start picking them and using some of them now. And there are three different types in there. Shallots are also about ready to come out. We had some high winds and rain and stuff like that that really did them in. And cilantro and dill there starting to go to seed. Peas are out. They were in that bed. We had a lot of peas. Lettuce is about done. Just started some new basil, and oh, that looks great. It's just doing wonderful. Carrots are all up. Time to start really thinning them. Work on, getting them spaced apart a little bit. And there's the hard neck garlic and the soft neck garlic. And at the end of this video, I'll be harvesting them if you hang around. There's four different types of sunflowers there, tall, medium, and short ones. And that should be pretty in a couple of weeks once they all start going into bloom. Some more dill there and some more beans. Peppers are doing great. They've all got little peppers on them. Show you that in a second. Cucumbers are all doing wonderful. They're all gherkin type cucumbers we planted this year. We found out we like the flavor and the texture of them better than the bigger ones. So we really do enjoy them. And some tricolored beans right there in that bed. And I'll be picking some of them towards the end too. More peppers here. Second bed of peppers. Notice I cut my peppers back a lot this year. and some cucumbers. They'll grow up the trellis some too. And back here are the edamame and some of the scarlet runner beans going up the trellis. And this is a bed of striped beans. Then across the back, I did put some gourd seeds in, but I got them in late. And there's a couple new zucchini plants coming up, and these are the ones I planted earlier, and we're actually starting to eat zucchinis out of them now. One more there that I'm going to pick a little later too. They look good. And again, there's some more of the striped beans and some more dill right there in front of it. Here's the jalapenos. See, they've got peppers on. Pretty much everything has peppers on them. And there's the Anaheim chilies, and they are really nice. They're just doing wonderful this year. So that's pretty much what it looks like right now. Everything's doing good. Caught up unbelievably fast. I think because we had a lot of rain and a lot of cloudy days that really let it get a good, start. And now it's getting to be harvest time, and we've been enjoying a lot of treats from it so far. And I'm going to pull that garlic in a second. But basically, everything just looks wonderful right now. And you can see that. All right, so here's the garlic. And I'm going to start by pulling out the soft neck garlic. Now, this is the one that we plant for later in the winter. This one stores much better than the hard neck. This will make it till next spring. So once I cure it, dry it and cure it, we'll have garlic all winter then. And none of it was really tremendous. They're all just normal sized garlic. All looked really good. Nice shaped heads and bulbs, and just beautiful. So I'm real happy with it. So that's going to be, I'm going to hang that up in the shed and cure it. And this is the hard neck. Now I did dehydrate the scapes off of this, but again, as you can see, there's nothing really giant on it. They're all just normal size heads this year. They are bulbs, and they really look good. They were healthy, and we did have strange weather. We had a really late, freeze and frost and stuff that kind of slowed them down, but yeah, there they are. They look good. They'll be going up and curing. So that's the first really major harvest this year. And then I'm going to go over and grab a couple of these tri-colored beans for lunch. Just going to pick a couple handsful of them to, throw have with our lunch. And I don't know what type of beans these are, but I know I planted them about 15 years ago, and I've been saving seeds ever since. And they're just a nice, tasty bean. They're not straight like the striped beans, but they're, a good eating bean. So there's lunch. And I'll grab a couple little cucumbers for snacks. They're just starting, but there's about 1,000,000 of these out there. Got the cart all loaded up. Everything's ready to go. And oh yeah, there's that zucchini I grabbed too. So anyhow, I just wanted to do a quick update and show you that we're in good shape again, even though we got a late start. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.